name is Phyllis Bowman, and I'm here to introduce my husband, Artbowman, who's running for a 36th District Court judge. I'm going to ask him a few questions about his candidacy. Attorney Bowman, what sets you apart from the other candidates who are running for the 36th District Court?
Well, it's a combination of things. First is my years of legal experience. I practiced law for over 28 years in the city of Detroit. Secondly is my history within this city. I was Chief of Staff for Detroit City Council President Irma Henderson back in the 80s, and in that capacity I chaired a task force which wrote the nuisance abatement ordinance, which successfully made homeowners out of thousands of low-income Detroiters. And thirdly, the type of person that I am. I'm a family man, married to this beautiful woman for over 31 years, and I also had the opportunity to raise two wonderful children. And a year ago, this past Easter Sunday, I donated one of my kidneys to a friend of mine who had not long to live. And I think that sort of compassion for the human race is a quality that most people would like to see in a judge. Those three factors put together sets me apart from the rest.
And what do you mean when you say stop foreclosures?
Stop foreclosures is a slogan of this campaign, and it goes along with the nuisance abatement ordinance. Stopping foreclosures means stop the spread of vacant, abandoned buildings throughout our city. Foreclosure, while being a legal process, is something that has had a very negative impact on our city, and as a judge of the 36th District Court, I want to level the playing field between the mortgage company and the homeowner. We want to provide counsel, attorneys for the homeowners that come before the court and have to fight foreclosures, and we want to fully advise homeowners of their right to trial, even when they come to court after so many things have happened prior to coming to court, such as a sheriff's sale, which sounds so final, and the period of redemption. People don't know that they have a right to a trial, and this judge will make it really, really clear that they have a right to trial and that a trial can derail a foreclosure.
How does the 36th District Court impact on the lives of the citizens of Detroit?
36th District Court is indeed the people's court. It's the biggest district court in the United States of America. They hear over 500,000 cases a year. The district court is the court where you're most likely to find yourself if you have to take care of some court business. It's got both a criminal and civil division. You don't have to do something wrong to find yourself in 36th District Court. You might be the subject of a lawsuit, the relief for which is less than $25,000. You might find yourself in a foreclosure or a landlord-tenant situation. So that 36th District Court operating well, it definitely has a huge impact on the citizens of the city of Detroit.
And finally, what do you think about the customer service at the 36th District Court?
I'm not impressed, and it needs to be a lot better. What I can do as one judge in my courtroom is make sure that the judge is on time. 36th District Court judges have a very bad reputation for starting at 10:30, 11 o'clock when the case is scheduled for 8:30. This judge will be on the bench at 8:30. Also, cases will not all be scheduled at 8:30, which is currently the case throughout that court and all the other courts, in fact. In my courtroom, there'll be an 8:30 call, a 9:30 call, and a 10:30 call, and there'll be afternoon hearings as well. That way, nobody's in a rush, and everybody gets their full and fair hearing, their full day in court.
Thank you, Attorney Bowman.
You're welcome. And please remember me when you go to vote in the August 7th primary. Art Bowman for 36th District Court. Vote smart, vote for Art.
Hey!